Hello everyone, welcome to my group Stressful to Soulful. Today is day 34. We came so long way. Over the 6 weeks, we have learned quite a lot. I show you different modality, different techniques, different therapy regarding mind power, mind and health, and mind and body connection. So today I want to explain how NLP works. What is NLP means? NLP means Neuro Linguistic Programming. There are two geniuses. They created this program. One was the specialist in the language, and one was specialist in the mathematics. And they both decided if they can make a formula to understand the human being, how the human behavior works. And then they studied Virginia Shati. She was a family life coach. And then they studied another guy who was specialist in hypnotherapy. With this study, and they come up with one model, how people behave, and how with the change of language, you can change the behavior, attitude, your internal representation of your mind, your dialogues. So how neurolinguistic works actually? Neuro is you have a neural path inside, and the language. So with our language, how we interpret in our brain, and how we create a new neural path, how we create a new pattern in our body, and how we can reprogram our brain. So basically, when you have a computer and there is different programs in the computer, and the computer programmer just check what is good for you, what is not good for you, and they tailor-made for the different companies, different users. This is the way they come up with this program that every human being can use, and they can change their state of mind instantly. So you can have more control over your emotion and your feelings, how you react to the different situation. If you have an exciting situation or sometimes more challenging situation, so how you can stay focused in that challenging situation, and how you can react to that situation, how you handle that situation differently. So this is the process they created, and there are different tools. There are different tools like Swiss pattern, reframing, anchoring, rewording your sentences in the positive mind, affirmation, visualize, timeline. You go to the timeline in the past, see the negative situation, feel what you feel, how you feel, and how you can change that painful situation. You come out of that situation and you can live your life better. So with these therapies, You can help yourself with you can boost your memory power. You can remodel yourself. Like if you see someone is very success person, you just follow that, model them, see what they done, how they're doing, how they dress up, how they stand, how they speak, what their daily routines are, and you can make that model, you can follow that, and you can achieve the success. That's another model. Then another model is like some people have a phobia, like someone had an accident and then they're afraid of going back to driving, going back on a road. So you can use this therapy to minimize or completely heal that phobia, that fear. So you can get rid of any phobia with this therapy. Also, this therapy helps to change your state of mind. Like some people say they are depressed, they have some drinking problem, smoking problem, overeating problem. So this kind of the problem we can solve. Then another thing is, as we use this deep trance, we can go into your mind and see what is causing problem. So we can go to the root cause of the problem and we can work towards it and get the better result in life. So sometimes people have, like drinking habit or smoking habit or even an overeating habit. Some people have a sweet craving habit. Some people have a salt craving habit. So this kind of habit, and they want to get rid of it because ultimately it's affecting their health and they want to live the better health. And then when we go through the trance, we go through the therapy, we can we can see that there are some underlying issue in your life, the emotional issues that cause this problem, that cause that habit. So in the beginning, you start to relax your mind, and then gradually you get into the habit. And how you can get rid of that bad habit and you can live your life healthy is a very unique technique. I will show you one testimonial later on, how one of my client had a good impact of this therapy. So it's like when the client comes and when I go through the therapy, when I go through their question and we communicate, we come to know that there are lots and lots and lots of underlying issues that is causing that problem. So like if someone comes to me and say like I have a smoking habit and it's affecting my heart and my lungs and I want to change this habit, I try different things. I have tried the patch and I have tried the tablets and everything, but it's not working. So what should I do? And I want to try this thing. So what I do is I use NLP, I use hypnotherapy, I use cognitive therapy, and I use the meditation, I use the emotional freedom technique. So I use different modality with the clients, and then when we go and analyze the client situation, there could be like the person had a divorce and that frustration causing him to go on smoking or drinking. Then that divorce led him to the financial crisis. That divorce led him to lose his home, to lose his children. So it's kind of a lot of emotional problem that we suppress inside our body. Sometimes people come with a different body pain. Like some people have a shoulder pain, and then I analyzed that guy. I came to know that that guy was having a lot of responsibility from her family. He had a very disabled old father that regularly needed attention. Also, he was working full time, and then he had a daughter. She had some mental challenges as well. So even though he was living the normal life and everything that he could do, he was doing it, but somewhere in his mind, in a subconscious mind, the responsibility was overwhelming. When he came first, I asked, how do you feel with these challenges? And he said, yes, it's fine, madam. I've been doing this for many years now, and it's part of my life. It's in my routine, and is everything working smoothly? It's nothing there. It's just lately I have this shoulder pain that causing me a problem, and I went through the physio. I went through the doctor. We did the X-ray and everything. Then they can't find anything why I'm having this problem. So I thought, let me check with you how it can help. And then we went into the analyzing his scenario, and slowly we came to know that he felt very overwhelmed with whatever he was doing. Just not that, he was not happy with one of his part of his life, which he even didn't realize until we did that therapy. So it was very eye-opening how your emotions are stored inside and that impact in your body. So I want to share one testimonial with you. That's one of the real my client, and she came with the salt craving, and see how amazingly the results are in one session. Okay, just give me 1 second, let me load. Okay.
I'm a respiratory therapist. Yesterday I had a wonderful experience with Jasmine. She did NLP on me about my salt eating habits, and I have a joint pain, and somehow I don't know that I don't believe in this, but with experience I can tell at the end of the session when she asked me, how is your pain? I felt very light on my knee joints, which is severely damaged, and surprisingly I can pull up my leg and I'm like, oh my god, it's so light. I don't know what happened to my pain. So definitely some effect that I can't recognize what miracle happened, but I think it really works great. Okay, bye-bye.
So, see, did you hear that? She came with the salt craving. She didn't know where these knee joints. She didn't even mention me that time that she has joint pain, knee pain as well. But we went through her salt craving, and then gradually we went through the whole scenario when she had the craving started and how it happened. And then after the session, the lady who could not lift her leg, she could not do her leg straight, lift both legs straight and show everyone that she can do it, and there is no pain at all. Isn't it that amazing? So this is kind of the result you get with the NLP, with the hypnotherapy, with the EFT techniques. So I'm using a different modality, and I try to help people as much as I can with empowering the different tools and using the different therapies. So if anyone who want me to help with different body pain, different habit like drinking, smoking, overweight, some depression, if you have a problem with confidence, if you want even success in your life, like if you want to do some project but somehow mentally you can't put up enough effort in it, so come, I'll show you how to do it. Please do contact me and I will help you. Also, I want to tell you one more thing, that this program that I have done for like 34 days, tomorrow is the last day, so it's 35-day program. I'm going to make a one video course, and people who want to buy, you can let me know and I will share you the 35 days video, plus I will give you the pranayam and meditation bonus. So let me know if you want. Also, I want to let you know that I do different courses regarding the mind power. One of the program I do is Ignite the Power Within. If someone wants to do the tester course, I will be running one of the Ignite the Power Within the course on a Zoom call. So let me know and I will give you the exact date, time and the cost of the course. And I will be very happy to help anyone who is going through physical, mental or any emotional challenges, especially in this difficult time. And this is the reason I started this the session every day, Monday to Friday, 5 to 6 for like this is the 6th week I'm doing. So from the 1st of June, a lot of things are opening, schools are opening, some offices are opening. So I will be tomorrow will be the last session for the weekly session, every weekly, and then I'm planning to do once a week, every Saturday 10 o'clock. But I will be announcing when I'm going to do this and how I'm going to plan that, what is the time and etc. in this group. So watch all my videos that you can while it's available online, because very soon this group, I will close the group as privacy reasons. But watch these all videos, and anyone who is interested to buying the mindfulness program that I have done for these 35 days, please let me know and I will send you the information how to buy this program and you can help yourself. Also, one more thing, also teach is NLP practitioner course. So anyone who want to learn the NLP means the Neuro Linguistic Programming, that I explain how it's work. So come and learn, and I will be doing it on a Zoom call, so let me know.